that seems to have reignited after Andhra Minister Nara Lokesh has now reacted to this development that has now happened in Andhra Pradesh, in Karnataka, I beg your pardon. Now, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, has also spelled out when it comes to the age cap for social media and saying that they are planning to ban social media for kids under the age of 13. So, Samit is with us right now. Samit, is there an age difference that we are looking at as far as 13 is concerned? Will that now be applicable as far as the state of Andhra Pradesh is concerned? Because they are now saying that they may ban social media for children under the age of 13.
Well, definitely we will ban social media access to the children aged below 13 years of age is what Chief Minister has officially announced in the Assembly, because recently we have saw, Nara Lokesh has several times spoken on this matter. Initially in the Davos, after completing his tour in the Australia, he stated that we are planning to, curb the children from accessing the, social media platforms. So now after Nara Lokesh's statement in Davos, and once again he has made this statement on his platform X, and again today Chief Minister himself has stated that we have received this suggestion and we are pursuing it, and definitely we will ban social media platforms access to the children aged below 13 years of age. And then we'll also be thinking about, because there is also suggestion that social media should be banned for the children aged below 16 years. So on both these lines, we are thinking for the whether it should be 13 years or whether it should be 16 years. We are thinking on those lines, and discussions will be held. If everyone agrees upon, and then we will also be banning social media platforms for 16 years of age. So initially it would be 13 years, and we will be planning this. We will be doing this, implementing this in just 90 days. In upcoming 90 days is what Chief Minister has officially stated. So on this, YSRCP is yet to respond. But yes, because there is the NDA. Government NDA is ruling in the Andhra Pradesh state. Janasena is already supporting it, and BJP is also supporting it. But when Nara Lokesh has announced this, BJP leaders have also come out and stated that this is a good initiative.
So, Samit, as you said that the Chief Minister has announced it in the Assembly, we're going to play out what he said in the Assembly today, and please help us translate what he's been speaking on the social media ban for children under the age of 13 for our viewers.
3 సంవత్సరాలు వయసు లోపల ఉండే వాళ్ళకి సోషల్ మీడియా బ్యాన్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని ఒక సూచన వచ్చింది. తప్పకుండా
we have received a suggestion to ban the social media platforms.
13 సంవత్సరాల
definitely
ఉండేవాళ్ళు
in coming 90 days
మీడియాకు అందుబాటు లేకుండా చేసే కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం
children aged below 13 years
16 సంవత్సరాలు
we will be ensuring that there will be no access to the social media platforms. Whether it is 13 years or 16 years, we are discussing on it. If everyone agrees upon,
social media ban
we will be doing it. Children below age 13 years, there is a suggestion to ban the social media platforms. Surely, definitely, in coming 90 days, children aged below 13 years, for them, social media platforms will be...
So, Samit, help us understand, because it seems that other states are also, getting the similar idea to put a ban on social media for children. But what are the guidelines? What are the steps? Because as I said, social media and internet is often used by children also for educational purposes. What would be the role of the guardians here in this case?
See, earlier after Nara Lokesh has announced this, that there will be a ban very soon for the children below age 13 years. So after that, that has raised lots of questions, and even few opposition leaders have stated that because there are big educational institutions running online platforms, including when it comes to the school, actually the educational institutions promoting school education, promoting when it comes to the majors, it's different, and even for the UPSC aspirants, it's different. So when it comes to the school education, because there are online classes being conducted, and a few schools during the offline periods, they do conduct online classes. So when it comes to this, this is majorly a big concern, because if you if you don't provide access to the children below, whether it is 13 or 16, it will become a big concern for the parents, is what a few opposition leaders stated. But at the same time, what will be the rules and what all will be the terms and conditions and how it will be, what all will be implemented and what government is going to, give access to the which platforms will not get access. All those things will only be getting to know in the upcoming 90 days because this is in the preliminary stage, and now because discussions have been concluded on the 13 years of age, basically for the children aged 13 or below 13 years of age, for them the discussions have been concluded, and Chief Minister already stated that discussions going on whether it should be 13 or whether it should be 16. So after that, government will come up with a proper guidelines, proper rules, regulations to ensure
but
that,
it seems that
social media
Andhra and
access.
Karnataka have often been seen in competition with each other as far as development is now concerned. It seems that on this issue as well, Nara Lokesh has now, taken a jibe at Karnataka because it seems that it has been influenced rather or inspired with this idea that Andhra Pradesh first put up. So that is what Nara Lokesh seems to be saying there, a minister in the Andhra government taking on the Karnataka Sarkara. Please to stay on with us, Sumit. Now we are